I'm Adam Flanders from Minneapolis Roosevelt High School. I'm an athletic director here, and the history of our golf program has really been about participation numbers and growth. The energy behind this project is immense. You know, I have kids stopping me in the hallway almost every day. Hey, are the golf simulators done yet? Are the golf simulators done yet? You know, and so it's definitely a vibe throughout our whole school. It's all about exposure and really trying to grow the game and getting people involved that really would never have this opportunity.
Previously, what we had was not very good. I mean, it's a night and day difference. We had like 2 nets that were falling apart. These enclosures are a lot safer than they were before because like there's the nets on the side and they're a lot bigger space to hit into. Like before we had like little nets, but there wasn't anything on the side to protect them. And I remember we had like shanks going around the thing, balls bouncing around the room, and it was kind of chaos. So I think these are a lot better.
We were a little concerned that the lights might be too bright, but the quality of these projectors, the lights are not an issue at all in here. The projectors project out a really good clear screen still, very high quality products, no question. And those Surfthing computers, they do such a great job, even in high resolution, like the highest resolution we can get those graphics in. There's no lag, the frames don't skip. Right when you're hitting that ball, you're seeing it on the screen, and just so grateful for Surfthing to be a part of this with Carl's Place. You know, we were able to put all the bays together, all the flooring together with high school students and 3 adults. And none of the 3 adults are engineers. 2 of the adults are teachers. It was very seamless, and any kind of issues we had, a quick phone call solved that, or just actually reading the directions helped too. Carl's Place is the place to call. They were able to, again, take the dimensions that I gave them, and there are a lot of nooks and crannies in this room with sprinkler lines and pipes and different flooring and things like that. They sent me a visual screen of what, with measurements and everything, of what it would look like with a golfer in here and where the overhead would be in terms of the screen and in terms of the back wall, and it all just squeezed in perfectly. I think we definitely can recoup some funds with these golf simulators now. You know, not only with range ball costs. I believe last season, just this last spring, we spent almost $2,000 in range balls. You know, and with these set up though, and having basically 2 ranges in our school now, we can definitely help cut back those costs, and even like pre-warm-up rounds. The course that we have, our conference golf championship, is on here. And so we can have practice rounds for free.
I think that having local courses, for example, Minneapolis Country Club would just help us with matches during the year. It'll be helpful because we can get like a practice round and just kind of how we would play the course in real life before we play it.
Not only does the pace of play quicken on a simulator, you know, you don't have to travel anywhere. You know, our kids don't have to lug their golf clubs in their car and then go to a course somewhere else. Kids having access to this where, you know, again, they don't have to leave school. They can come here. I mean, let's get here early in the morning. 6 a.m. tee times is wide open here. Tee sheet is wide open. I definitely think scores and performance will definitely increase for all of our golfers here. We have coaches, and we have actually a PGA professional in our staff that can read that data, really look at that, and then also communicate that to the hitter, you know, and communicate what those spin rates are showing you and what those ball of speed and club head speed are showing us, and what we can do to really improve that.
I definitely think going into matches next year, you know, after hopefully playing all winter on the simulator, will give me a lot of confidence, kind of help me just never really lose my game.
It's certainly an investment in our golf program, but also I would say in the character of our students. You know, I'm a firm believer that the sooner a student athlete can get really involved and engaged in a sport, no matter what sport that is, they will in turn become a better human being.
I just really want to thank Carl's Place. It's a blessing to have like this opportunity to have these super nice pieces of technology that our school and other schools just wouldn't have the opportunity to have with, you know, the amount of money it costs. I'm so grateful for it.
I just got to say a huge thank you to Carl's Place for being part of this endeavor and this project. They've been very supportive throughout this whole process, and for them also to bring in Surfthing and their computer hardware, it's just been a blessing that we are just so grateful for and thankful for.